Floating above the natural terrain on wooden pillars and diagonal supports, the house I'll walk you through today seems to defy gravity in pursuit of something that once seemed out of reach, a privileged view of the ocean, even from the second row back from the shoreline. Located on a gently sloping site, the Prat-Valdés House was strategically positioned parallel to the western boundary of the lot, about 4 meters away. This allowed for two key outcomes: freeing up the external circulation areas and intentionally orienting all of the home's common spaces toward the ocean. At the heart of the house is a central hall that organizes the layout. To the north are the social spaces, living room, kitchen, dining room, and terrace. To the south, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom form the more private wing of the residence. The facades follow a clear logic of orientation and protection. Facing the southern edge of the lot and prevailing western winds, the southern facade is completely opaque, offering privacy and shelter. Meanwhile, the north and east facades are fully glazed, opening the interiors to sunlight and to the landscape. On one side, the sea. On the other, a eucalyptus forest. The primary structure of the house is made of steel, designed to span large open areas. Inside, a pine wood framework was used, optimizing the standard commercial lengths of 3.20 meters. This approach brought both construction efficiency and clarity to the design. The finished materials highlight the contrast between inside and out. Pine wood appears throughout, but in sharply contrasting tones. Light stains were used for the interior and terrace, while the exterior facades were treated with dark, black base paints to emphasize the form and presence of the house in the landscape. Raising the house off the ground also created a new space. Beneath the common area and part of the private wing, a covered area at ground level was built. Here, the laundry room, wine cellar, and a future barbecue area with a bathroom were planned. The Prat-Valdés House rests lightly on the ground, using strategic openings and thoughtful structure to turn the site's limitations into a smarter, more meaningful way to inhabit space.